Hello my dear students, lecture number 9 for CBSE board, chapter number 12, area related to circles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 12.3, question number 5. From each corner of a square of side 4 cm, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 cm is cut and also a circle of diameter 2 cm is cut. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. Okay. Now this is a square ABCD. From this corner, means this is a quarter circle, quarter, and this is a circle with center having diameter 2 cm at the center of what the square cut off. Find the area, remaining area, means this shaded portion. Okay. So area of circle, find area of circle, then area of this quarter plus area of this quarter plus area of this quarter plus area of this quarter means 4 quarters. That means one full circle, and area of this circle subtract from area of square. Okay, sum of these areas of this and subtract from area of square, you will get area of shaded region. Okay, area of quadrilateral ABCD. So quadrilateral ABCD is square of side 4 cm, and therefore area of square is equal to side square and is equal to 16 cm square. Number 1. Then area of 4 quadrant at 4 corners is equal to pi r square upon 4 into 4 is equal to pi r square and is equal to 22 upon 7 into 1 and is equal to 22 upon 7 cm square. Then area of circle which is at center is equal to pi r square is equal to pi into 2 into 1, so is equal to 22 upon 7 cm square. Area of remaining portion is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrant plus area of circle at the center. So 16 minus 22 upon 7 plus 22 upon 7 is equal to 16 minus 44 upon 7. If you simplify this, you will get 112 minus 44 upon 7 is equal to 68 upon 7 cm square, and hence area of remaining portion is equal to 68 upon 7 cm square. Question number 6. In a circular table cover of radius 32 cm, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. Find the area of design. Okay. Now radius of circle is equal to 32 cm. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. So 22 upon 7 into 32 into 32. Simplify this, you will get 22528 upon 7 cm square. Statement number 1. To find the area of ABC, triangle ABC, draw OP perpendicular BC. By properties of equilateral triangle, in triangle OPB, angle O is equal to 60 degree. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to 30 degree. Angle P is equal to 90 degree. And therefore BP is equal to root 3 upon 2 OB. So root 3 upon 2 into 32 gives you 16 root 3 centimeter. So BP means this is equal to 16 root 3 centimeter. Okay. BC is equal to, and therefore BC is equal to 32 root 3 centimeter, because perpendicular drawn from the center bisect the chord. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to root 3 upon 4 side square. So root 3 upon 4 into 32 root 3 into 32 root 3 is equal to root 3 into 3072 upon 4 is equal to 768 root 3 cm square. Statement number 2. The area of design is equal to area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. So is equal to 22528 upon 7 minus 768 root 3 cm square. Okay. Question number 7. ABCD is square of side 14 centimeter with center ABC and D. Four circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally to the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so this is a square ABCD, and at the 4 corner circles are drawn such that they touch each other. Okay. ABCD is square of side 14 centimeter, and therefore area of square is equal to side square is equal to 14 into 14, that is equal to 196 cm square. Statement number 1. Then radius of circle is equal to 7 centimeter. So area of 4 quadrant, so these are 4 quadrant. If you subtract from this square, you will get area of this. So area of 4 quadrant is equal to 4 into pi r square upon 4 is equal to pi r square, and 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 get cancelled, and this is equal to 154 cm square. Statement number 2. Then area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrant. So 196 minus 154 gives you 42 cm square, and hence area of the shaded region is equal to 42 cm square. Question number 8. Depict a racing tracks whose left and right ends are circular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter, and they are each of 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find 1. The distance around the track along its inner side, and number 2, the area of track. Okay. Now I will explain you the answer of this question in next video. Okay. Now it is enough today. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.